Hi there, this is Jody with Culineer, and I'm here to help you learn how to use Culineer to the best of your ability. We have a primary benefit of Culineer is discovery. So with Culineer, you can find recipes, you can find farmers who grow ingredients, and you can learn about how to cook them. But right now, let's just learn about how to discover new recipes and save them for later. So I'm going to look for tomatoes because they're in season right now, and I know they're in abundance. And rather than buying just one, I might want to buy a few and make a few recipes out of it. You'll notice that Culineer has 363 recipes, and this is constantly growing from our input as the Culineer team as well as the community. But we have 20 on this page, and if you scroll down, you'll be able to get more. So one of the things I'd like to show you is that if I wanted to make this tomato pimento cheese galette another day, but I don't want to have to search for it again, I can simply bookmark it right here on this listing card, and it will show up in my bookmarks page. Lovely. You can see I've bookmarked others. Let's say I want to remove one. Maybe I tried it, I don't like it, or I changed my mind. I can just simply click that right there where the bookmark is, and it'll go away. Now we can also, going back to Discover, you can also search by viewing all. So you'll see that we have recommended recipes every week based on what's in season. But we can view all, and let's say I want something for basil. I've got lots of basil growing, and there's lots and lots of recipes here for basil. And basil marinated grilled chicken sounds like a great thing for dinner. So I'm not going to open that because my recipes, Culineer, don't have bookmarks. So I'm going to skip that one. I'm going to go down here, Jennifer Benefits Baked Cauliflower Parmesan, which has basil in it. Let's see, do I want to try that? So you can open the recipe, check it out. Oh, this doesn't have many ingredients. Let me bookmark this one for later. And then again, you'll see it in the bookmarks tab. And there it is. So you'll find cooking bookmarks right under your recipe. So all your recipes are found here. And your bookmarks, whoops, my recipes are found here, bookmarks are found there. Very easy. Until next time, happy cooking.